If you've ever wondered how to find all Gmail accounts created with a phone number, this video is going to walk you through the simplest official method step by step. This is especially useful if you've made multiple Google accounts over the years and you can't remember the exact email address, but you do remember the phone number or recovery email that was attached to them. I'll show you how to use Google's account recovery page to look up the accounts linked to your information, and I'll keep it quick, clear, and beginner friendly. If this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/username recovery. This is Google's official username recovery page, and it's the tool you want when you need help finding an account tied to a phone number or recovery email. Once the page loads, you'll see a form asking for your recovery details. In the first field, enter your recovery phone number if that's what you used when creating the account. If you don't have that, you can use the recovery email address instead. In the next step, enter your first and last name exactly as they were linked to the Google accounts you're trying to find. This part matters because Google uses that name to narrow down the accounts associated with your recovery information. After that, click Next. Google will now ask you to verify that you're the real owner of the recovery information. Depending on what you entered, it may send a verification code to your phone number or to your recovery email address. Go ahead and check your text messages or inbox, then enter the code on the screen. Once the code is verified, Google will display the Gmail accounts associated with that recovery phone number or recovery email. At that point, you should be able to see the usernames that match your information, which makes it much easier to identify the account you were looking for. If you have more than one account, take your time reviewing the results carefully so you can choose the right one. And just a quick reminder, this method only works if the phone number or recovery email is still linked to the account, and if the name you enter matches the account details closely enough. If you don't get results right away, double check the spelling of your name, try a different recovery email if you have one, and make sure you entered the correct phone number format. So to recap, you go to Google's username recovery page, enter your recovery phone number or recovery email, type in your first and last name, verify the code, and then Google shows you the Gmail accounts connected to that recovery information. I hope this tutorial made it easier to find all the Gmail accounts created with your phone number. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.